Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Faruk Ahmed. I am standing at my yard after the Fajr prayer. Now I am showing you the foggy area in front of my home. The fog is falling. I in my previous video I wanted to show you the hot temperature at day, but at morning and during the night the fog is falling at this North Bengal. I am situated at North Bengal in Thakurgan. Okay, and I am showing you the fog is falling at morning. Okay, but after some hours this area is so hot and the temperature is so high because of the sunshine. Now the area is so beautiful and I feel no so hot, I feel no so cold, and this is so standard level temperature. Okay, and I feel so well. If you come here your disease will be cured at once.